Ever wonder how to get that effortless clean girl glow where your skin look fresh, dewy and naturally flawless? Well, today I'm breaking it all down step by step, beginner friendly, no stress. By the end of this video, you will look like you, but better. So grab your brushes and let's get in. Hey lovelies, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mamus Ate, a makeup artist and a YouTuber based in Warri, Delta State, and today we are diving into the viral clean girl makeup look, the soft glowy minimalistic makeup routine everyone is obsessed with, perfect for beginners, work days, brunch dates, or just when you want to feel effortlessly but put together without doing too much. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video. Let's glow together. Starting off, I did the skin prep of cleansing our skin because it's important that you work on a clean skin. And then when I'm done with that, I went in with this moisturizer from the Elf product is a drugstore product. It's not as expensive as your high-end brand, but they also work so well and they give you value for your money. The best base for clean base is moisturizing. Moisturizing equals glow, and make sure you use a lightweight moisturizer and an hydrating primer for a dewy finish, okay? And make sure you prep the skin properly. This makes makeup to melt in beautifully and last all day. This particular step is non-negotiable. You can see how I keep blending the moisturizer into our skin, and I mix these two moisturizer. This is also the Elf moisturizer. It's an hydrating moisturizer. When I was done with the first one, I applied this on top. So it's also important for you to layer up your moisturizer if need be. Application of eye cream under the eyes is also important, and I like to do this step using my hand to warm it into the skin, spread around the eyes. For that clean girl makeup look, achieve a fresh luminous complexion by using a hydrating primer as the base for dewy makeup. And right here is the Easy Blur Huda Beauty hydrating primer. Man, I love this blurring primer. And just so you know, an hydrating primer is a makeup base that moisturizes the skin, smooth out texture, help makeup grip and last, and create a healthy and glowy finish. And right here, when I was done with the primer application, I just underpaint under her eyes, color correct. Make sure you blend. Blending is key, and you can see I'm using my hands to blend gently by using the tapping method. Foundation. For foundation, you can either use a foundation brush or a beauty blender, which is also called a beauty sponge, but I prefer to go in with a foundation brush. And on this video, I will be using only foundation brush from start to finish without beauty blender, and you will still achieve that dewy finish makeup look. Truth is, if you want that radiant, fresh from spa glow without a single drop of sweat, let me show you how to apply dewy foundation for the ultimate dewy hydrated skin finish, okay? And right here, I have the Easy Blur Huda Beauty foundation and the Fenty Beauty foundation, and I'm going to be trying these two foundations on our skin. But first, I started off using the Fenty Beauty foundation on the right hand part of our face, and then I moved to the Huda Beauty foundation on the left hand side of her face. Truth is that both foundation really gives that natural glowy finish, and they are both lightweight, and that is another reason why I love it. At the end of the day, I'm going to use the brush to blend both, but first, foundation is the base of your makeup. It evens out your skin tone, smooth texture, and give you that flawless canvas for the rest of your glam. So dewy foundation is specially formulated to give your skin a luminous hydrated glow like you have just had a facial. And as you can see from this lower part of our jaw, that is what is happening. You could see that the areas I'm blending now down to our chin is glowy, and you only have foundation there. Okay, so to give your skin a luminous hydrated glow like you just had a facial, unlike matte foundation that controls shine, dewy foundation enhances it in the most flattering way. And you can really see what I'm doing. And dewy foundation, I like to use liquid foundation. And for this makeup finish, it's optional if you are interested in using or applying a dewy setting spray. Okay, it's optional, it's not compulsory. On this one, I'm not applying any dewy setting spray right now. So another tip I need you to know is that less is more. Okay, build it slowly rather than caking it on the face. As you can see, I keep moving from one section of the face to the other section. Now it's time to apply the remaining excesses on the foundation brush on the areas where I underpaint and color correct. So what you can do is you just bounce, you don't drag. When I mean bounce, I mean a tapping method, which is what I'm doing now. You just place the brush on top of our skin, you don't drag. This helps the product to melt into the skin for that glassy effect. You can see how glowy it is. Easy Blur Huda Beauty Foundation and Fenty Beauty Foundation just give you this glow you are seeing on our face right now. So if you want extra glow, you can mix a drop of liquid highlighter with your foundation. But on this one, I do not want any extra glow. This glow is already glowing. Okay, and next off is, when it comes to clean girl makeup look, everything have to be less, because less is more in makeup process. So right here is time for concealer application, and for concealer it's advisable that you use creamy concealer only where needed. And right now I'm applying directly under the eyes using my index finger to place it gently, and I'll be using my index finger to blend. From start to finish of this makeup tutorial, I did not use any beauty blender. Okay, and then the excesses remaining on my hand, I just apply that on her lip, and I call this process the bleaching process. See how our lip is not looking that dark again, because the concealer just brighten it a little, and under our eyes down to our nose look perfectly blended together. Okay, next off is, you need this if you want that fresh dewy makeup look that stays put all day without turning oily or cakey. The secret isn't more setting spray, it's how you use your translucent powder. Okay, and I'm showing you exactly how to lock in your glow, reduce shine in just the right spots, and keep your skin looking radiant and not flat. Okay, let me just ship this in quickly. What is a translucent powder? If you don't know, I need you to know now. Translucent powder is a colorless, finely mild powder used to set makeup. It controls shine and blur texture without adding coverage or changing your makeup color. Okay, it blurs pores, it controls oil, it sets makeup, and does not alter foundation shine. But if you overdo it or you use the wrong brush, it can dull your glow completely. So here is how to do it right. A small fluffy setting brush or a beauty blender. But on this video, I used a small fluffy brush to just apply that on the entire areas of our face. Okay, do that gently step by step. You can see the difference. I still got that dewy glow, but now it's locked in, shine free in the right places, and ready to last all day. Here is why translucent powder is your dewy makeup best friend when used right. Okay, as you can see, we are lifting and brightening and not masking. The clean girl makeup is all about looking fresh. You need to know that setting powder is not just for mattifying but also essential to lock in dewy finishing without losing that glow. I'm using the new Fenty Beauty finishing powder, and this is one of the powder I invested in recently. It's pricey, but I love the finishing and what is given to me right here, and I know you love it too. And if you do, let me know in the comment section if you have tried the new Fenty Beauty powder. I bought this when I traveled to UK in Boots, and I am loving this finishing powder. Since I got back, it has been my favorite. You want to brush up clean with a tinted brow gel and lightly fill in sparse areas. Done with that, went in with my flat angle brush from the Mirror Cosmetics and my black gel liner to apply on the lash line. And trust me, this just take your eye level from 0 to 100 because it make the eyes to be more brighten and white. I love it. I don't skip this step at all. This is one of the fastest eyebrow I've done in recent time. I just used the Davis brown pencil and follow through natural brows, a feather stroke, and we're done. Like, we're done. Fast, easy, simple. No harsh line. You better think naturally, fluffy, and effortless. We are not going for Instagram brows today. We are just going for natural brows. Done with the brows, and then I use this fluffy small brush to apply this Charlotte Tilbury powder in the shade medium on the brow bones, and I just use this powder to brighten under our eyes. I hope you're having fun with this video, okay? And I hope you're enjoying tips for clean girl makeup look step by step. And then next off is applying mascara. It's important that you coil the lashes and apply mascara for open bright eyes. Please do not skip this step for any reason, okay. When I'm done with that, I went in with this natural lip gloss. This lip gloss is highly pigmented, so I did not add a liquid highlighter, else I would have added either a liquid highlighter or a glow balm. So what I did is I applied a lip oil first and then a nude lip gloss. The glow is what ties everything together, so think dewy and not oily. And then got my fluffy eyeshadow brush, my all brown Honey Beauty eyeshadow palette, and I went into the soft brown on the eyelid. Blend. You place, you tap, and you blend and blend till there are no harsh line. When you are done blending, use a dewy setting spray to melt all product together, but first shake before you spray. Okay, see how fresh and natural that look. You don't need a full beat to look beautiful, just a few key steps and the right technique. Let me know in the comment section if you are a team clean girl or full glam. And don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more beginner friendly makeup tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, beautifuls. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, be happy, smile often, and bye guys. Mwah.